Hey guys, it's me JJF Entertainment, and now I'm going to predict the One Piece chapter number 986. Okay guys, it's not new. We all know that what happened that day in which Oda's editor hyped us about chapter 986. He said that he read chapter 986 and he cried a lot. It's the first time he cried, and it also could be a publicity stunt, but I don't think, because it's Oda, man. Oda sensei. So now let's predict what is actually going to happen in chapter number 986. Well, the first thing which is likely going to be happen is Momonosuke's death. Everyone thought that there will be one crew member from Wano, and we thought at the first that it will be Momonosuke, but actually it's not. The next Straw Hat is going to be Yamato from Wano. So we all know that Yamato is not going to be killed, but Momonosuke, yes, Momonosuke is going to be killed. I think so, and so that editor could be died. Maybe Kanjuro could kill him because of the hatred he have against him, but I actually don't want him to be killed because he's kind of my favorite. Okay guys, so the next person who is likely to be killed is Kanjuro. I know, he's a traitor, and why would editor cry a guy like him? But you yourself think, he had also been in trouble. The same trouble Kinemon faced and Momonosuke faced and other 9 Red Scabbard faced. He's kind of an emotion for his teammates and all. My another theory is, I think Kanjuro knew that Kaido killed Orochi, so to take revenge against Kaido, he saved Momonosuke, in which it cost his life. Yes, I'm saying it cost his life to save Momonosuke. Or it can be, he may be a criminal, but deep down he had feelings for his friend Momonosuke. I know he beated him, but maybe. My third theory is Orochi. I think Orochi is alive. I'm sorry, but you have seen his devil fruit power. He had many heads. That many-headed dragon, I actually don't know what devil fruit he have, but that dragon actually had many heads. Maybe he used his devil fruit power to make a clone of his head and he escaped his death, which made Orochi cried. The trust he had for Kaido, and he betrayed. Some deep, good dialogues Oda written so that the editor cried. The last story which I have, which has very less possibilities, but if this comes true, I think fanbase will go overhyped. Yes, I repeat, the appearance of the legendary Rox D. Zebak. Yes, Rox D. Zebak. Maybe this guy could turn into a main villain of this whole series. Yes, Oda is smart. He doesn't make a straight story. Maybe he come and kill most of the main characters like Trafalgar D. Law or Eustace Kid. That's my theory, I think so. Yes, Rox D. Zebak can appear in Wano. Thank you guys for watching my new video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.